What's up? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Erica says, I had insurance company for some time and never had a claim filed. We had a bad storm with large hail come through and it damaged our roof. They refused to fix the roof. The adjuster came out and said he lives up the street and there wasn't any hail with that storm. Then he proceeded to insult me by telling me there wasn't any hail damage to our roof. I had already gotten a few quotes from some roofing companies who had all verified the hail damage. Several of our neighbors all got full roof replacements from their insurance companies from that same storm. I called and complained and got nowhere with the insurance company. Calling and complaining to the insurance company does actually work sometimes. You could also file a complaint against your insurance company with the Department of Insurance. However, the best thing that I can recommend is get somebody on your side that knows how to fight back when the insurance company is telling you all sorts of lines of crap. I can't tell you how many times I've experienced this in the hundreds, probably nearly 1,000+ claims that I've worked on. So if you are getting denied on a claim, your claim is being delayed unfairly, or your claim is being diminished unfairly, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. We want to help you if we can. Let us see what we can do for you. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.